How to fix Face ID not working or has been disabled. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the update, as Apple often releases patches to fix bugs in subsequent updates. The next fix is to clean the TrueDepth camera. Sometimes obstructions can interfere with Face ID functionality, so ensure the area around the front-facing camera is clean. Also, remove any screen protectors or cases that might cover the camera. The next fix is to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches, and if your issue is still not fixed, then reset the Face ID and set it up again. So launch the Settings application and navigate to Face ID and Passcode and tap on it. Enter your passcode and tap on the Reset Face ID option and then go ahead and set it up again. Also, if your appearance varies significantly, setting up an alternate look can help. So, in Face ID and Passcode settings itself, tap on the Set up an alternate appearance option and follow the prompts. And if nothing else works, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option and then on Reset and then on Reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. And if none of the above steps works, there might be a hardware issue with the TrueDepth camera. So, visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for assistance. So this is how you can fix Face ID not working or has been disabled. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.